Hi, this is James Shrug with Westpac London's end of day report for Monday, the 22nd of October. Firstly, apologies for the Friday report. I was out of the office that day, and apologies for the croaky voice today. But fortunately, absolutely nothing to report. No economic data of note released pretty much anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere, well, in this part of the Northern Hemisphere, Europe and the US. We did have weak Japanese export figures reported in the Asian trading zone. And we had the regional elections in Galicia and the Basque country. In Spain, the Galicia elections going the way of the Rajoy government, the Basque elections going against him. So no clear mandate, I suppose, if you like, or ongoing mandate, at least in those regions, for Rajoy's austerity policies. One point, we've got Catalonia going to the polls in November, also on a separatist stance. The separatists acceded to power in the Basque country, and may very well do so, of course, now in Catalonia. So, as well as having budget issues, there's the separatism issue that's really, or the separatist issue that's really picking up speed in Spain at the moment. But really it was all about earnings. We saw the big market losses on Friday because of earnings, particularly in the tech sector. Today, 4 of the 6 S&P 500 firms that reported missed revenue estimates. Caterpillar's probably the most notable one. In fact, their sales forecast was the weakest in 4 years, weakest since 2009. But market movements today are pretty minor. We're looking at just a 0.1% loss on the Dow so far today. It's just after 4 o'clock in London. And the FTSE is down 0.2%. The French market down 0.5%. The German market's down 0.6%. Spanish market down 0.4%. And the Italians have actually managed a 0.2% gain, less than an hour or so ahead of the close. Bond yields in Spain slightly up today because of probably related to the election result, and also the disappointment at the EU Leaders Summit, which really didn't progress anything, particularly in relation to Spain, either the Spanish bailout or the bank recapitalisation liability, which looks like it's still going to rest with the Spanish government if the Germans keep insisting on that. And that's about it, really. Commodity markets, we've got a 1/3% loss in copper prices today. Oil's off about 1/4% at $89.84 a barrel, and the gold price is up 0.2% at $1,726 an ounce. The Aussie dollar, it's at 1.033 against the US dollar. It's been softening over the last couple of days on weaker equity market sentiment, more risk aversion. Okay, and of course we had the mid-year fiscal review from the government, which at the margin, a very slight tightening in fiscal policy, provides even further scope for the Reserve Bank to cut interest rates. Okay, we expect a cut in November. Okay, I'll be back hopefully with a stronger voice tomorrow.